Hello and a warm welcome to each and every one of you. You're watching the Simply Finance Quiz brought to you by Tata Mutual Fund, here today on CNN IBN. You're with me, Pick Brain, your quiz master for the evening, and we are with three wonderful teams that have won this quiz from across the length and breadth of the country, where we've organized the first rounds of this quiz competition. We'll pick action here today, taking a look at who our finalists are in the second semi-final of this quiz. On my far left, we have with us here today Omkar and Debraj, and they represent the Indian Institute of Management from Indore. Welcome to the two of you. Moving across to their right here today, we have with us Krishna Sheshadri and Ritwik, and they represent the TA Pai Management Institute from Manipal as Mangalore champions. Welcome to you too. Completing our lineup here today, we have with us Nobi and Prasham, and they represent the Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management. Those are our three teams here today in the final of this quiz. We pick action. On the first frontier, it's time for Easy Invest. Here it comes. Question to you. Post the World War II, there was a great need to put the economy back on track. In India, an idea or a concept was framed for the development of post-independence economy of India, and this came into force with 8 people creating a thought process for India to implement. This was round about 1944-45. What are we talking about in India as a post-World War II idea for economic development and financial growth?
Planning Commission.
The Planning Commission of the country. Passing you to tap me.
The establishment of Delhi School of Economics.
The establishment of the Delhi School of Economics. Jamnalal Bajaj.
The Harrod-Domar model.
None of the teams getting that right. The answer that I was looking for was something conceptualized by great Indians, Sir Purushottam Das Thakur Das, John Mathai, G.D. Birla, and none other than J.R.D. Tata, along with a few others, famously known in India as the Bombay Plan. As we go across to our second team, question to you guys. We're all familiar with greenfield investing. What in the world of investing is brownfield investing?
Brownfield is when you invest money in a sinking or almost bankrupt company and turn it around and make money. So you buy it out at cheap and then turn it around or either sell its assets off and then become.
Moving across, Jamnalal Bajaj.
Brownfield is when you acquire a company. Greenfield is when you start it from scratch. Brownfield is when there's already a company, already something, and then you acquire it and you take it. Not necessarily a sick company.
Greenfield is when you start from scratch.
Scratch, yeah.
And brownfield is when you acquire something that exists.
Yes.
And then you build on it and you develop a company from what you acquire.
Yeah.
100 points, Jamnalal Bajaj. Good 100 to you. Question direct to you guys. Jamnalal Bajaj, your direct question. Connect the following to the world of finance, or to the world of economy in a sense. Asian, Tatra, Celtic. What are these words?
They are all exchanges.
They're all names of stock exchanges or trading exchanges.
Yes.
IIM Indore, choosing to pass. TA Pai Institute of Management.
Okay, these are all a group of emerging countries. So Asian, the Tatra is the Eastern European, Celtic is the Scottish, Northern Irish, and Baltic are the Slavic countries. These are all emerging economic groups.
These are all countries which are forceful powers in their respective regions. Therefore, they are named after different types of tigers. Asian tigers, Tatra tigers, Celtic tigers, Baltic tigers. All these are different types of economies. The Baltic tiger economy, the Asian tigers, is something we are certainly very familiar with in this region. Will not give you anything on that effort. Before we move any further, we'll take a look at where these teams stand on what we call net asset value. At this point in time, we've got just one team up there on a NAV score, and Jamnalal Bajaj are on 100. The two other teams, I'm sure, will score shortly as we move on to the second frontier of our battle here today. It's time for pure equity. Here it comes. In the second frontier of this battle here today, Professor Simply Simple, in a sense, will throw visuals at you. Starting with you, Jamnalal Bajaj. Question on your screen. Who is this guy and what term did he contribute to make him famous?
He coined the term Bimaru.
Passing you, moving across to Tap Me.
Sensex.
Name, it's Deepak Mohani. The term is Sensex. Looking forward, Sensex, 100 points to you. Question to you guys, as the second one. On your screen, here it comes. What is the occasion when Chanakya appeared on an Indian coin?
This is the 150th anniversary of the Income Tax Department, and in the honor of Income Tax, first treatise on tax was written by Chanakya and Arthashastra. So to commemorate the 150th anniversary of Income Tax Department, they issued this coin.
Outstanding. Put your hands together for them. Lovely. Oh, cracker of an answer. That's a really good answer coming from Tap Me. 100 points to you on that effort. Final question. As we move to our third team here today, IIM Indore, battling for 100 points. On your screen, who is this Indian?
Charan Singh.
Charan Singh. Moving across, Jamnalal Bajaj.
Morarji Desai.
Passing you to T.A. Pai.
This is the first finance minister, M. Shanmugam Chettiar.
M. Shanmugam Chettiar. These days, finance ministers carry suitcases. Those days, they carried bags. He is right. Fantastic quizzing. Shanmugam Chetty, the first finance minister of India. We move straight into the next frontier. Tap Me are playing the game well, but can they sustain the momentum is the question that needs to be answered. We'll figure out as we move on to the world of mutual funds. It's time for Tata Mutual. On the round on mutual funds, you will get 4 questions. 100 if you get it right, 100 if you get it wrong. We all are aware that SIP stands for Systematic Investment Plan. What is STP? Indian Institute of Management, Indore.
Systematic Trading Plan.
Minus 100 to you. It's a systematic transfer plan. I think they took a half shot on that answer as we go to the second question. These are types of mutual funds that decide to invest only in companies that do not invest in industries such as tobacco, alcohol, beverages, weapons, etc.
Sharia Fund.
Will get you 100 points. Tap Me cracking that, and they get 100 points on ethical funds, which are also known as Sharia funds. Question number 3. It is normally referred to as the return of a fund from one point to the other after factoring the time for holding investments. This is called CAGR. They've gone for it, is Jamnalal Bajaj.
Compounded aggregate growth rate.
Give it to you. Plus 100 on that effort, and the quiz is getting tighter. One question remaining. Are IIM Indore going to go for this one? They need to get back somewhere. Final question. On the advice of SEBI in India, the Association of Mutual Funds of India, AMFI, has begun something called KYD. What is this? I are taking a half chance again. KYD.
Is it know your disclaimer?
Know your
Disclaimer.
Know your disclaimer.
Yeah.
You better know your disclaimers. But that is not the right answer. KYD is know your distributor. If you do not have a proper documentation of your distributors, that can be a serious issue. Minus 100 to you. The battle really seems to be tight here today. Teams playing the game aggressively. IIM Indore losing some ground in that aggression. Tap Me looking good. Jamnalal Bajaj trying to chase them down. But at this point in time, we need to take a very quick break. On the other side, all the action from this final, you're watching Simply Finance Quiz, brought to you by Tata Mutual Fund. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching Simply Finance Quiz, the second national semi-final. Battling here today are IIM Indore from Indore, TAPI Institute of Management from Mangalore, and Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management from Mumbai. In the lead at this point in time, as we take a look at what we call net asset value, coming up on your screen, are TapMe, and they lead this quiz with 400 points. Behind them with 200 are Jamnalal Bajaj. IIM Indore have a lot of work to do. They are on minus 200 at this stage. It's time to play Floater. Here it comes. Here's the first one. 30 seconds of time. On your screen now. There are 3 commercial banks which are authorized to issue Hong Kong dollars. Bank of China, HSBC are 2 of them. Who's the third? And they've gone for it to TapMe in a flash.
Standard Chartered.
Plus 100. TapMe playing the game aggressively. They get another 100. And now they're slowly beginning to power this quiz with some quick hits. Question number 2. Time. Starting now. It comes from an Arabic root word which has the basic meanings change and transform. The term X is defined as a bill of exchange or a promissory note. Team from Jamnalal Bajaj are giving it a go.
Hundi.
Hundi will not fit in there. Minus 100 to you in aggression there. Time. Oh, they're going for it.
Hawala.
Just in the nick of time, 100 points. Hawala is transforming money or moving money from one place to another. It's a form of transaction in the world of money. 100 points again. TapMe are beginning to breeze through. Third one, on the buzzer. Time starting now. It's a term developed by Karl Marx for basic essential goods. IIM Indore.
Communism.
Communism is a word which comes from finance. Common, Latin word for essential goods. Something that is common should be shared. Communism. Beautiful answer. As we go to the next one, on your screens, time starting now. The riba is prohibited in Islam as it implies any excess compensation without due consideration is not really allowed or encouraged. How do we know riba in the modern world?
Interest.
Interest is not allowed in Islam. Fantastic. 100 again to IIM. 1 round remaining in this quiz, but are they doing enough? Quiz really poised interestingly at this stage as you've got TapMe on 600 points. They've been tearing away with this final, but behind them on 100 each, IIM Indore and Jamnalal Bajaj. We move to the final frontier. Is it going to be TapMe or are we going to see a twist in the tail? It's time for us to play dividend yield. Here it comes. The first one, teams on the buzzer. This metal served as the standard of currency prior to 1861. That is before the adoption of the gold standard by the United Kingdom. Jamnalal Bajaj.
Bronze.
Minus 100 to you. It's silver. Silver got upgraded to gold. Minus 100 to you. I think they were a little bit of a hurry out there to get it right. Here's the next one. Teams on the buzzer. This bank came up with the concept and established the first regional rural bank in India called Pratham Gramin Bank. Which one of these? Vijaya Bank, Canara Bank, or the Syndicate Bank? Jamnalal Bajaj are going for it.
We'll go for Syndicate Bank.
Will give you 100 points. Taking a half chance on that, they will get themselves a crucial 100. 4 questions remaining. Here's the next one. All teams on the buzzer. It's a 11-digit bank code. It is extremely important in India for the financial system. It is known as IFSC. What does it stand for? Have gone for it.
Indian Financial Security Code.
Indian Financial Security Code. Minus 100 to you. It's Indian Financial System Code. Well, they took their time and a lot of it on that, but at the end of the day, they get a minus 100. 4th question. Teams on the buzzer. We've all heard of the PAN number and the PIN number. What in India is a DIN number? Gone for it is IIM Indore. DIN.
Director's identification number.
Plus 100. Well, they're just beginning to make a comeback when they desperately need to. Question to you. Which common word in the world of business comes from a Latin word meaning pertaining to the head? It shares its origin with the root word for cattle. In olden days, cattle was a source of wealth and property.
Capital.
Capital.
Yeah.
The word capital. Very good, 100 points. Final question. Teams on the buzzer. Equity shares of a particular kind became very popular in India when the Kochi Tuskers team was formed in the IPL.
Preference shares.
Preference shares. Minus 100 to you. I would have completed the question, which is no points, but you can try IIM Indore. Go on.
Sweat equity shares.
Sweat equity, where they were given shares for adding value and not bringing in money. Very good answer, sweat equity, but that wouldn't get you any points here today. At the end of all that action here today, ladies and gentlemen, the net asset value reads as follows. Gaining and losing, playing aggressive, Jamnalal Bajaj will finally finish where they began, with nothing in their kitty. IIM Indore will look at this quiz and tell themselves, we just needed 2 more good answers and we could have been close on Tap Me. With 300, a very credible effort by them here today. But moving into that national final with some really powerful answers, TA Pai Institute of Management from Mangalore with 500 points are our champions in the second semi-final. Congratulations to you. A week from now, we will bring you the final semi-final of this quiz. But for now, we've identified 2 national finalists, Osmania Medical College and TA Pai Institute of Management. We will be back with you with the 3rd semi-final just a week from now. Till then, from me, Pick Brain, from all of us here at CNN IBN, you were watching Simply Finance Quiz, brought to you by the Tata Mutual Fund.